Morning guys, I'm in Puno. It's freezing cold here, as you can tell. I need to get breakfast first before I go on my 2 days, 1 night Lake Titicaca tour. But it seems like everywhere is not open. How come the water is so green?
It is because of pollution.
Oh.
Yeah, it's growing that thing.
But it's not from the vegetation?
No, not really. Yeah. So this part of the lake, just this part is polluted.
We are going to the Uros Floating Islands first. It's going to take us 20 minutes. While we're waiting for the boat to depart, we have some Peruvian music.
¿Cuánto? ¿Cuánto ticket?
8 te iba a dar.
It's so soft.
Uros means lazy, means wild, and some similar things. Because these people were known as lazy or wild in the past, maybe not now.
So we'll say that this is 1 meter and this is sometimes 1.5 meters. And they always put cross.
After that, they still need to put the fresh reeds every 10 to 15 days. You see the house here? They're gonna lift up the house every year to put on some extra reeds. But eventually the island will sink in 40 to 45 years. We are going to visit a local house. Ooh.
Cama.
Oh, is the bed?
Yo me llamo Carmen.
Carmen.
Mi esposo se llama Pablo.
Pablo.
Ha ido a traer totora para aumentar.
They can have electricity here with the solar panel, so they're able to charge their phones and watch TV at night. This thingy is for babies or the souvenirs. Hello! People said that Lake Titicaca is a tourist trap. So far, I found that it's okay. Today the island is not very floating because it's not windy, but it moves a bit when the big boats pass by. People here, they speak Amharic, and mostly they can only live up to 65 years. It's because of diabetes, lack of exercise, and they eat a lot of fat. We're gonna try their taxi or tourist boat. We're sitting on this thingy. We're gonna go around the lake for 15 minutes. It costs us around 10 soles.
Yakis pie, yakis bachata, bachata. Chaya montan nakaki, guys bachas ang kaita, kusi kui.
Oh, we are coming to another island, I believe.
Que vais en avión, ¿no? Ya llegamos.
So this one is more like a restaurant island. So the mom pushed the kids to welcome us. Hello. Oh, they made a condo. Okay. This one is very touristy. This island also has a bathroom.
Cachanguita.
We're gonna get a postcard for the tourist stamp. Bravo. Gracias. I bought deep fried bread. It's crunchy and chewy.
Ahora sí vamos, ¿no?
Titicaca. So this is a business island. We are heading to Amantani Island, where we're going to meet our homestay family and have lunch with them. It's going to take around 2.5 hours. We arrived at the Amantani Island.
She's your new mama.
Hello.
Livia. Sí.
This is my room. Wow, electricity, huh? Double bed. And then I asked them if they can give me a private bathroom. And they said yes. Fabulous. Wow. Very nice. Wow, it looks so luxurious with gold plate, cruise, dolphins, and an island. And this is just a bathroom. Flowers on the ceiling. And a working desk. It doesn't look like it's done. But upstairs, it looks like a mini hotel. Actually, inside it looks way much better than a regular hotel. I think it's the same as the one on the ceiling. It's cute. I thought they are stones for the construction, but apparently they are potatoes. It's very sunny. Wow, look at all this. Purple flowers, my favorite. Wow, it's like a restaurant. This is quinoa soup.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is to eat with bread.
Ah, I see. Fried cheese,
Potatoes,
potatoes,
carrots, and
some
cucumbers.
tomatoes, carrots, cucumber. Different type of potato, right?
Yes.
This one looks very different.
That tastes good only when you boil.
Ah,
If
really?
you fry it doesn't taste
Really?
good.
Interesting. The cheese is very firm. It's just a regular mint or it's for altitude sickness?
As well. In Thai, we have many different types of quinoa.
Uh-huh.
But the most common is this. Blue beautiful
Dehydrated
flowers.
potato. Wow.
This tool was made by our ancestors, and we still know how to make it. And she's 11 years old, and she learns or she knows how to blend already. So this is still used every single day.
Hey, how come they look like the same?
You need to pull down harder.
Harder?
Yeah.
Está bien.
It's good. The wind.
Okay.
Yeah. Next.
Next.
And dry season, almost useful.
We are going uphill to the viewpoint and watch the sunset. This is the plaza of this island. Next to the plaza, there's a church which only opens on Sunday. It's a primary school or
Yes.
secondary school? Primary. Okay. There are around 5,000 people on the island and 10 communities.
And the name of the community is Santa Rosa.
That's why there's so many arches here.
Yes.
The entrance to the community.
Yeah.
Limited edition. I'm not gonna get one, so you guys share. The guys from my group tried to bargain for some cheap beer. What's the name of that one?
Which one?
This is
The top. There is Pachamama.
Pachamama, and this one?
Pachatata.
Pachatata. Oh, buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
We are going to Pachamama. It's so pretty, and I still have a long way to walk. Almost. Oh, finally I'm here. I thought I'm gonna die. Ooh, just right on time. Finally, we finished the hike and come back to the plaza to have a drink before our dinner. The ladies here are selling barbecue stuff, and I would like to try some alpaca. Dos, por favor.
Yeah.
Para llevar 5.
Muy bien. Gracias. Wow. It comes with a big piece of potato.
Chamba. To the police, we don't say police. We say tombo.
It's like pork?
But it's like an offense for them.
Like pork. Okay. Más fuerte. Chocolate para mí, por favor. Rápido. Hey, sí.
If he says the other way, then we got it. Her name is Catherine.
Catherine, okay.
Gracias.
Potato and rice. And lots of stars. I'm not sure if you can see it. Also the moon.